This car is 22 years old, and to be honest, I can even point a single issue we've had with it in this 22 years of service. I remember learning to drive with this car, and now my sister's also learning with it, and here is the proof. And this car is just so smooth. Now let's be clear, this car doesn't have like 500,000 kilometers. Let's see on the clock. There you see we're rocking 143,000 kilometers, which is not a lot, but it will still just work every single time. And I think that's lovely. So let's actually dive deeper about this old Toyota philosophy or mindset and really understand it.
You've probably heard of it, the engine that became a meme, a legend, a benchmark. The 2JZ GTE, it's a twin-turbo iron block born in the early 90s, but still terrifying supercars today. People love to say that it handles 1,000 horsepower with stock internals and no issues. But what if I told you that it wasn't built to break records? It was built to survive. Toyota didn't cut corners, they overbuilt it. Forced crank, oversized bearings, cooling like a race car, and a block so strong that it became indestructible by accident. The truth is, the 2JZ is just the most extreme example of a mindset Toyota had back then. Make it last, even if it costs more. And that's the same reason why even this, my 23-year-old Avensis, still runs perfectly today. No 2JZ here, no turbo, no hype, but the same DNA, built with same care, the same philosophy. That's why all Toyotas don't die, they just keep going.
Now, what is actually like to drive one of these cars in 2025? Well, here you have your 5-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning, a radio, very basic radio of course, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you don't need more to drive it around town and daily it, so let's actually go ahead and drive this thing. So, let's go in reverse, release the handbrake, and go for a little spin. So, one of the things I love about this car is how smooth it is. It's not showing its age at all. If you have a hand and you're smooth with the clutch, this car is really smooth. You can be driving this. I mean, it's not going to probably feel like a Maybach or a Rolls Royce, but you can be seriously smooth and comfortable in a car like this. Now, obviously this car is not fast. Don't expect this to be handling crazy good or anything. It's just for what it is. And for what it is, it goes perfectly and lasts. So that's all you can ask for a car like this. Now, a little background so you can understand. We've had this car for a long time now, and we didn't have any issues with it. Just doing the basic maintenance, and the car will keep going. And I think this car has a lot of kilometers to give yet. So this car is nowadays mainly used by my sister, who is actually learning how to drive. So it's doing its job. This car never fails. And to be honest, I don't think it's anything wrong with it. So it will probably just keep going for years if we keep maintaining it, which we will. So yeah, if you want a car that wants to keep living forever, this is it. How is the interior feeling after this time? Well, to be honest, it's lasting very well. We only had that issue that we kind of corrected with that tape. It's not the best solution, but for this car, it will work. But overall here on the inside, everything feels with great build quality, like for real. This is nice. It's interesting to think how modern cars will last, especially thinking in 20 years, for example. How will those cars last? Because I don't feel they're going to be lasting that much. And it's it's sad, but I guess time changes. But only time will tell, so we will see, I guess. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for the video. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content of me, POV driving and talking about cars, hit the like button and subscribe because it makes me really happy. So if you want to make me really happy, go ahead and subscribe. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.